Oil change. Polaris RZR Pro. Fuck! Oil change. Polaris RZR 2025 Pro S4. Things you will need: 6mm hex, couple rags, oil change kit, filter, crush washer, 3 quarts. Filter wrench, 20% of the time, works all the time. Seriously, I've done 10 and it's only worked on 2. Funnel and a Torx 40 and no hammers. So your filter is back there. Oil fill is in here. Your shit stick right there. Step 1, remove 4 Torx screws in your cargo box. Whoops. All right, blow this out a little bit. Oops. My air hose doesn't reach all the way over here. No, let's freeze it to death. Ow. Remove dipstick. I just kind of leave it hanging like that. Remove filler cap. Ooh. Here's where your 6mm comes in. Find the right hole. That's what she said. Break that. I drop that. Bring this over here. Do one of these. Then you gotta be quick. And I lost the crush washer. That's fine, because the kit comes with a new one. Clean the plug. Make sure there's no sand in it. We're in the sand dunes, so they drop a lot of shit. Crush washer. Put that to the side for now. All right, oil filter in here. Let's see if I can get in here. To right there. See it? That one, right there. See that little tongue on the bottom? It's nifty. Put your rag under there. Hold on. Hold on. I haven't had much spill out of there, but get the idea. Take off the watch because my fat ass hand doesn't fit as it is. We're gonna try to do it by hand. See how this goes. Oh, fucking. All right, let's try the wrench. See if I can get that 30%. Oh, yes! Dude, that is the greatest fucking feeling right there. You know, you need that forearm strength. You know what I'm talking about, ladies? Just pin that off. Well, they don't give you much room in here. And there's sharp shit everywhere. This one's been sitting for a while, so there's not much oil in there. Take this, get that. I gotta beat off this thing sometimes. There we go. Terrible at cameras. Get your new filter. Some new oil. Got a little dip. Put a little bit on there. You don't want to stick it in dry. Take your nice new filter, bring it over here, and get it in there. I do it as tight as I can with my left hand, which is not my strong hand. Take my strong hand. See, nothing even spilled out of there. Filter's on. Nice and pretty. You can't see shit. Motherfucker. 6mm butt plug. Hey, good looking. Ratchet. Don't make it too tight, just enough. Look in your user manual for the torque specs. I think I got it down. All right, oil filter is in. Butt plug is in. Time to fill. I believe it's 2.8 quarts, almost 3, which comes with 3. We're gonna put that in there. So I usually put 2.5 in, check it, run it, see where we're at. Right about there. Come over here, we're gonna check the dipstick, see where we're at. Right on the dot, but we gotta run it to get it through the filter. So, what I'm gonna do, we gotta close this up, take one of these, put that right there, take this, put that right there, close it up. Now you wanna run it for about 3 minutes. Just make sure you got the butt plug in, the filter on, mostly filled up. Over here. Oh, I forgot the key. Number 9. And we're back. Let that sit for about 3 minutes. While we do that, clean up some used oil, clean up some tools, throw some crap out, and have a snack. Put some oil away. Washer and all. Go. Get that before it hits the park. Hey! Look at that. Fuck Chuck Norris. Rest in peace. Did I get it? I fucking did. If you don't know how long it's been, let's grab another one. Check your operating temperature. I think 175. Yeah, there we go. You're good to go. Look at that, 24 hours. Now you gotta let it sit for 3 minutes, I believe. I'm like 99% sure I'm gonna have to add. See where we're at. Bottom of the safe. Oh, it was a shitty one. Get this going. This in here. She's running hot. It's hot in here too. I feel you, baby. Check it one more time. You're right at the top of the safe. Double check. We are good. Put your filler cap back on. Check valve or dipstick back locked. I'm gonna put this on. Box installed. Torx, 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 Torx. Clean your shit up. And get ready for the next one.